Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to download a Pinterest application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end, without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Pinterest on your Android device, tap open your Play Store and the search box, type in Pinterest, and soon after you find the app in the search results. Tap on the install button to download it on your device. While the application downloads, let me tell you what Pinterest is: an American image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet. Using images and on a smaller scale animated GIFs and videos in the form of pinboards. Once the application is downloaded, wait for it to install on your device. The installation will only take a couple of seconds. After the installation is done, you can tap open the application from this page as well. By simply tapping on open, you can find the application in your app drawer. Simply tap open the application and sign into your Pinterest account. That is how you can easily download a Pinterest application on your Android device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.